Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today also how to design a fidget spinner in Solidworks software. This is a toy which is designed in Solidworks. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. So now I'm going to start taking starting here. First taking the new file. Already selected, then okay. Then the unit is selected and means yes. Open is taken, normal. Then going here, center line is taken. Sketch a center line. Let's click OK. Then taking, you are going to circle here and here. Okay. Then select to this circle. The pressing the control. Again, one click, another click, and make it equal. Okay. One dimension, and determine the dimension is 22. Okay. Then the distance from center to center. Make it this one is the starting. Done. Then going to the linear pattern, selecting the circular sketch pattern, selecting the circle and click on center of the circle and make this one the equal. So circle is here, make it arc and okay. See. Then going to the offset, selecting three circles and I make it 60 millimeters. I can take also the 5 millimeters. No, 6 millimeters is better. Okay, done. Then I'm taking a 3-point arc, one click, another click, and here, one click, another click, here, one click, another click, done. Then I'm selecting this point and line and make it tangent. Okay. Similarly, selecting this one, make it tangent. Okay. Selecting this one, make it tangent. Okay. And selecting this one, tangent. Okay. And similarly, selecting this one, tangent. Okay. Selecting this one, make it tangent. Then determine the dimension. I'm taking the this one is I want to take it 30 and also take it 30 and trying to take it also 30. Then when it will be 30, then this one will change. So I'm taking this one is 15. It's also make a problem. So I want to make it another change here. This circle, make it vertical also. Then okay. Then take it 30. Started then it will be very large, so I want to take it every point is 15. Now see. When I am taking this one is the 15, what happened? And this one is taken also 15. Okay, it's better. I think got it everybody. Just sketch it. Then go to the features, extrude was selected. Then selecting this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm taking this one is up to 7 mm. Better. Then see. Then I want to go into the fillets. Selecting. Then selecting this one. Okay, going to the fillet again. Another thing I want to do. This one is selected. Going to the fillet and selecting the all-rounded fillet. First surface. Selecting the second surface. Here this one is selecting a step by step. So selecting a step by step. Step by step. See. Then another first part and selecting this space. Then okay. Then see. That's the next step. After that, I am going to the fillet again and I am selecting this one. I choose the fillet and this one is taking 0.5 millimeters. Selecting this face, this face, this face, this face. Then done. Then see, done the object. Then I am selecting the colors. Okay, I am taking this color. See, okay. After that, this one is the first part which is done. See, see this one. Then I can save here. Save as I can want to say the part one. Part one is spinner. Okay, done. And before this one. Then I'm going to the file and make assembly from part. Selected. See. Then I'm taking this one here. After that I'm going here. Here the design library. Going to the design library and toolbox. And I'm selecting this here also showing DSI is taken. Double click here. Bearing. Here three type of bearing: ball bearings, roller bearing. I want to take the ball bearing, angular contact ball bearing, and instrument precisions, and this one is the radial. I want to take the angular bearing, so press and drag it up to. I want to take this one is here, then click and click. Wait, it's taking time. Okay, configuration. I mean the configure complement component is showing. So bore is 6 and ore is 22. I mean diameter, and the thickness is 7, which I have student watch is used. So is the done. Then I want to select this one and select the full. And taking the number is full and going here and selecting the detail. Then case, I want to add case. Okay, see, then okay. After that, click to the graph area to add additional copies of a complement. So I want to add here. So after here, here, and also here. Then skip from the keyboard. Then I want to match to each other. Then going to the mat, and I'm selecting this parts and this insert face and going to make it the concentric. Then okay. After that, selecting this face and this face and make it coincident. Okay. Similarly, selecting this face and selecting this inner face and make it the concentric. Okay. Then selecting this face and selecting this one, make it concentric and this one. Then okay. Then similarly selecting this one, selecting this face and make it the concentric. Okay. Make it and selecting this one, make it the coincident. Okay. And similarly, another one is here. Where it is here. Selecting this one and selecting this inner face, then concentric. Okay. And selecting this one and this face, and coincident is okay. Done. Then see, pull the rotate. See, selecting this one is rotating. Okay, done. Then I'm going to plot it. Selecting this one, then plot. I mean, this one is the rotate, so this one is the fixed. And selecting this one and to fix it. Fix it. Okay. Now it's rotate. Again, free. Now I want to apply the study motion here. So I'm going to study motion. Then going here, I'm taking the distance is from up to 15 seconds. It should be not this way. I'm taking the click here and going to up 15 seconds. Okay, done. Then selecting the motors. I want to rotate this one. So selecting this one. Then going to the downwards and I'm taking this will be 30 revolutions RPM. Then okay. Then at first I'm calculating to be slow. See. Okay, I want to show now. See. The problems. Okay, I think everybody got it how to design a fidget is spinner in Solidworks software. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign engineering is always with you.